Louisville, Texas, and we're excited to show you guys the inaugural LMC Truck C10 Nationals.
And as you can probably tell, there are a ton of trucks out here, so let's check them out.
Yesterday was a bit rough. It rained all day, but we still had a good turnout. People were in high spirits despite the rain. And today we have beautiful weather and the place is packed. The autocross is great. People are having a blast. And it's just been really fun. We're over in the vendor section and it's absolutely packed. Been going nonstop. And you know, you got the burnout contest, and yesterday we did laps out on the track, and it's just been incredible. A lot of fun.
My goal at the C10 Nationals from the beginning was to put on an event and make it the premier C10 truck event in the country. And it's going to be a home run with all this sun.
One of my favorite things about coming to a show like this is seeing all the different styles that you can build a classic truck in. And this is just a perfect example of don't judge a book by its cover. From the outside, this truck looks 100% stock, almost like an original factory restoration, even down to the original style 15-inch steel rally wheels. But what's under the hood is what set this truck apart from an original restoration. Here we've got a late model fuel-injected LS power plant, so you can drive this truck every day, get great fuel mileage, and still have a good amount of power.
We put a lot of effort into this show and it's gone great. I'm amazed by the turnout today and all the trucks. It's very gratifying. It makes me very happy to walk around and hear all the stories that I've heard and how far people have come. There are people who have come from Canada to this show, and they got flyers in their boxes that we sent them.
First time in Texas, first time this side of Texas, this side of Arizona actually. Never brought my truck outside of California, so it's a great experience.
There's so many unique trucks. I haven't seen the same one twice. It's incredible. And then you hear the story. You see when you go and talk to the owner and you hear the story, and everybody's story is different.
Well, we spent a lot of time here at the Texas Motor Speedway. We've met some really cool people and seen some really awesome trucks. But coming up next,
we're going to find out who's lucky enough to win the keys to this beautiful 1985 C10 nicknamed the Midnight Mistress.
Classic trucks, LMC, gear star transmission.
We actually have to give it away with another set of tires because the ones that are on it are bald.
Must be present to win. Brett Roost. Brent Roost. Are you here? R-E-U-S-T. Brent going once. That's the name. Brent going twice.
I'm not going to be very happy about handing those keys over because I want to keep the truck, but I'm sure whoever gets it is going to be really happy.
We're going to pick again. Sorry, Brent. Oh my goodness. You guys ready for I told you you've seen him once. You've seen him twice. Yeah, shake your head. Ladies and gentlemen, George Sepulveda.
I mean, this is a fairy tale that, you think that you want it at the end of the day, but the chance of like getting it with all these people standing around and entering it, it's like, your chances are slim to none. It's insane. It is absolutely insane. This is happy for you. Happy for you.
Thanks, guys.
Yes. Thank you guys. Thank you guys.